So I'm on the GER stand here with Javier. Javier, you got a famous name, Javier Alonso.
Yeah,
I used to know a football
I
player
know,
who was good. Are you as good at talking about machines as he is at football?
Hopefully I am, because I'm the one training the operators with the machine, so hopefully.
Okay, well, let's put you to the test. Explain what you've got here with this machine, because this is something different. I've not seen this style of grinding machine before.
No, we've been doing grinding machines in a more conventional way, on which the bed it's the traversing.
Yeah, so normally the bed is moving, but
Yeah.
what you've got here is your grinding wheel is moving left.
The grinding wheel head is moving. In this case, it's a two-wheel grinding head.
So what's the advantage to having it built like this?
The advantage is that we're reducing the length of the machine by half. So for a machine like this, for a 4-meter long part, we will be using a 10 or 11-meter machine. In this case, it's a little longer than 4 meters. So.
And is there any impact on the quality of the part that it grinds? Is there, by moving the wheel to the part almost, does that change the dynamics of how the quality of the product?
Not really. We're getting the same results in precision and surface finishing as we were getting with the conventional machine, but of course reducing the overall length of the machine.
And you've got two wheels on here, so you've got two wheels. Why two? And can you have more?
Depending if the customer will need to grind two different materials on the same parts, or if they wanted to get two different surface finishes. About the surface finishing, we could get it with the same wheel, only by adjusting the parameters of the dressing or the grinding itself. With the same wheel, we could get different surface finishes. But normally, it's because of the materials of the working part. In this case, it's a chrome part, so maybe the center of the part, we're grinding the chrome part. So we need one wheel for that, and another different wheel with different hardness, different grain for the edges of the part that have a different surface treatment, different hardness, different.
And we look at this machine here. You've got one machine on your stand, but I know you guys. You do a lot more than just like this cylindrical, don't you? You do surface grind. There's a whole.
We do all kinds of grinding machines, cylindrical surface grinding machines, vertical grinding machines, vertical with tilting head, surface grinders with turning table, and even special machines for very special purposes. And
are they all built here in Spain? Is all of this made and manufactured here in the Basque?
Yeah, we're here in the Basque Country, in Deva, halfway from Bilbao to San Sebastian, and that is mostly where all the machine tool industry in Spain is placed. So.
And how many competitors that you have the same method of moving here? So you're not moving the tables, because I guess one thing that stands out to me is that if you've got a big machine with a heavy part, the wear of the machine, you're having to move a part continuously. You're moving the part to the grinding wheel, whereas here you're moving the grinding wheel to the part. So
the cost of the materials for building the machine is bigger also, and I think it's a big improvement, not only for the reduction of the length of the machine, but also I think it's going to be better for the customers because of the reduce of costs.
Yeah, and the longevity of the machine, I guess, as well.
Sure.
No, that's great. It's really, and in terms of how many of these would you sell in a year? How many machines do GER make and sell in a year, roughly? I don't expect you to give me exact figures, but are we talking tens, hundreds?
No, we're talking about tens of machines. Maybe 50, 40 machines. We're not such a big company. We're a medium company in terms of workers and business figures. But
I know you having a good show this week. Has it been good for you guys to be bringing this here? You had a lot of people looking at this.
Yeah, we have a very good placement, and in this exhibition, we've decided to bring this big machine. The machine is sold. The customer has allowed us to bring the machine. We had the chance it was the time. So instead of bringing two more conventional machines, smaller machines that is the usual. We bring the big one and we put it in front of the door. So everyone who's coming in is the first thing they're seeing. So they are coming here and watching it, asking. And,